Hello there. In this comprehensive video tutorial, we are going to meticulously go over how to properly set up and successfully install the highly effective Fast Scalping Indicator, which is developed by the esteemed AITF lab all together with you. After you have successfully downloaded the indicator and its associated file package, you can then proceed to carefully extract it from its compressed zip and archived format. Once you have extracted it, you will then need to carefully copy its various related files into a specific designated folder within your NinjaTrader platform. These are the essential files that are contained within this particular zipped folder. You will find that there are exactly two distinct files inside. Your next step is to carefully copy these two important files and then proceed to select the designated NinjaTrader 8 Documents folder. Then you enter the bin folder, and after that, you go into the custom folder and paste those two files there. You will paste them right here, and as you can clearly see, I already had this particular file, but you will paste it here once again. As you can observe, these important files are now located here, and then you can confidently close this specific folder. After that crucial step, you absolutely need to restart your NinjaTrader platform completely. Make sure that when you want to copy the file, your NinjaTrader is completely closed. I'm running NinjaTrader, entering the username and password, and clicking login so that my NinjaTrader starts up. Depending on your system, it might take a little time. It gave a prompt. Once NinjaTrader has started up and your connection is established, you need to load a chart so you can use the indicator on it. Yes, to do this, you simply need to navigate to the New section and then carefully select the chart option. Here, I specifically want to load the exchange rate for the euro to the US dollar, so I will proceed to load 6E. And please always keep in mind that you should actually set the time frame to minutes. You can choose 1 minute or 5 minutes. I'll select 5 minutes now. Be sure to check the Enable Tick Replay box. How many days of data should be loaded? That doesn't matter for us here, so we just click the OK button. If when you're trying to load the chart, you don't see the Tick Replay checkbox, just go to the Tools menu, select the Settings section, and in the Market Data part, there's an option called Show Tick Replay. If you check that box in the menu, you'll definitely see Tick Replay. After your chart has loaded and appeared, the indicator menu is clearly visible up here at the top of the screen. Click on the indicator option so that it then shows you all of the available indicators within the NinjaTrader platform. And from the list of available indicators, open the TradingFinder folder and double-click on Fast Scalping AITF Lab so it gets added to the lower section, then click OK. Wait a few seconds for the indicator to load for you. The first window that opens for you, this actually relates to the license manager. This indicator requires a license. To obtain its license, you can visit the support section of the TradingFinder website. Once you have obtained your desired license, you can enter it in this section. Paste it here and enter it. And by clicking the Check License button, your license will be verified and you can use the indicator. The license I am currently using has already been checked, and as you can see, the indicator has fully loaded. In this window, you can also see 3 checkboxes. The first one is Save License, so that you don't have to copy and paste this license every time, and your license will be saved in this box. For you, you click on the Save License section. The next option is Auto Check. This means that every time you load the indicator and it comes up, or when you open your chart that has this indicator, it will be loaded and come up, and your license will be checked automatically, and the indicator will be activated. The third option is Auto. Window close is related to closing this license manager window automatically after checking these items so you can enter the indicator. As you can see, the indicator is now loaded and you can access its settings and menu from the top. From here, you can use the indicator in different time frames and according to your own needs. I hope this video is useful for you and that you make the most out of this indicator.